हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों की प्रिपरेशन बहुत तगड़ी चल रही होगी फ्रेंड्स। और इसी तगड़ी प्रिपरेशन को और थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए मैं ये नई सीरीज़ लेकर आया हूँ, रैपिड फायर 100 क्वेश्चंस वन लाइनर फ्रेंड्स। तो आप लोग जल्दी से फटाफट आ जाइए और इस सीरीज़ को हम फटाफट कंप्लीट करते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट के। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए। साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क इज़ लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? केरला. Which is the when is the International Tiger Day celebrated? 29th July. What is Bhutan's national game? Archery. Goa Liberation Day is celebrated on December 19th. Saga dance is related to which state? Sikkim. What is the symbol of element tin? Sn. Which article is related to emergency? Article 352. Who is Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Manoj Sinha. Who founded the Hyderabad city? Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Miss Universe 2019 was from which country? She was Zozibini Tunzi of South Africa. Next 10 question friends. What is the speed of sound in distilled water at 25 degrees centigrade in meter per second? It is 1450 to 1498 meter per second. What is the pH of human blood? 7.35 to 7.45. Slightly basic. Where is Pulicat Lake located? Coromandel coast of Andhra Pradesh. What is the origin of Ganga river? Gangotri glacier. How many times Pankaj Advani has won World Billiards Championship? Pankaj Advani has won 21 world titles, 21 national titles, and as a junior, Advani has won 11 Indian titles. Who is the Chief Minister of Haryana? Manohar Lal Khattar. Who was excavator of Mohenjo-daro? Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. What is the minimum age to be eligible to stand for being a president? It is 35 years. Who won Crystal Award 2020? Deepika Padukone. Who won Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2018? Amitabh Bachchan. Next 10 question friends. What do we use to prevent iron from rusting? Galvanization. Galvanization is a process which protects the iron from getting rusted. It is a protective layer of zinc, right? India's rank in cancer preparedness index 8th. स्पेलिंग ऑफ 8th इज इनकरेक्ट फ्रेंड्स, तो यहाँ पे टी के बाद एच लगा लीजिएगा. 8th, इट इज़ 8th. वर्ल्ड थायराइड डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन May 25th. Who is the president of Maldives? Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. Happiness index report is published by. It is published by United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network, and India's rank is 144 out of 156 countries who are measured on this index. Fine. Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Who is CBI Director? Rishi Kumar Shukla. Article 85 is related to session of parliament, prorogation and dissolution. Ottoman Empire is from which country? Turkey. Which city topped the Smart City Index? Hyderabad. Losang festival is celebrated in which state? Sikkim. Vegetation found in desert is known as xerophytes. What is the new name of Haley National Park? Jim Corbett. What is the date of Samvidhan Divas? It means on which date the Samvidhan was accepted. It was accepted on 26 November 1949. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India, and on the day on which it came into effect was 26 January 1950, but it was adopted basically on 26 November 1949. What is the date of World Milk Day? It is 1st June. Who is Governor of Jammu Kashmir? Manoj Sinha as the Lieutenant Governor. CAG is appointed by President. CAG means Comptroller Auditor General. Fine. Who is the new chairman of TRAI? It is P.D. Waghela. Who abolished Sati Pratha and in which year? Lord William Bentinck in 1829. How many parathyroid glands are present in human body? 4. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please kindly do so that you can get the videos as soon as I upload them. Fine. And further more such videos are to be posted in the coming days, so it is better for you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any important videos which will be very beneficial, very beneficial for your coming CGL and RRB and TPC exams. And because these are latest GS and GK current affairs questions, so you will be having this coming in your exams all through your 2021 exams. Fine. So next question, next 10 question, friends. Who won the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize 2019? Rana Das Gupta. Which Chola king assumed the title of Gangaikonda Chola? Rajendra Chola I. In which country, in is incorrect here, friends, kindly correct it. In which country note behind Mangalyaan pictured printed? In which currency note? Mangalyaan is printed in 2000 currency. Fine. The currency note of 2000 in India, it is having the Mangalyaan picture printed on it. Fine. Who was the emerging player of IPL 2019? Shubman Gill. Fine. Shubman Gill. What is the lifespan of RBC? The lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days. Sataria dance is related to which state? Assam. Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills are in which state of India? They are in Meghalaya. Who was the most valuable player in IPL 2019? Andre Russell. And Andre Russell. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Kunchikal Falls. It is situated in Karnataka. Bile juice is secreted by liver. Fine. Article 40 is related to Panchayati Raj. Who appointed the CAG of India? President. Who got Dronacharya Award in Kabaddi in 2019? Rambir Singh Khokhar. Indradhanush 2 started in how many districts of UP? Mission Indradhanush 2. It is started in 35 districts. Who is the first Indian to win Wimbledon junior singles title? Ramnathan Krishnan. Fine. Who is new PM of Russia? Mikhail Mishustin. Fine. Which Indian author book is selected for 2020 Booker Prize? Avni Doshi. Avni Doshi's book is selected for 2020 Booker Prize. Right, friend? Which of the following is the natural satellite of Mars? Phobos and Deimos. Who won the US Open men's single 2019? Rafael Nadal. Mayurbhanj Chau dance belong to which state of India? Odisha. Citizen Delhi. My Time, My Life is written by whom? Sheila Dikshit. Fine. Oil of vitriol chemical name sulfuric acid. Who is La Liga's brand ambassador in India? Rohit Sharma. Name the metal that can be easily cut with a knife. Sodium. Which language is used in Mughal code? Persian. Who is CM of Chhattisgarh? Bhupesh Baghel. Purna Swaraj demanded on which date? Purna Swaraj was demanded on 26th of January 1930. Who is the CEO of World Bank? Mari Pangestu. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was started in which year? It was started in 1991-1992. Fine. Modern periodic table is arranged according to atomic number. Article 49 of Indian Constitution is related to protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance. Fine. Which country will host BRICS 2021? India. Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly? Sachinandan Sinha, temporary, and Rajendra Prasad was permanent. Fine. On which date emergency was declared in India by Indira Gandhi? It was 25th of June 1975. Article 17 is related to untouchability. Which city is situated on the Coromandel coast? Tamil Nadu. Which king was also known as Priyadarshi Ashoka? What is the symbol of krypton? Kr. It is a noble gas. Fine. Which force acts without contact? Gravitational force. Who is the author of a book India Wins Freedom? Abu Kalam Azad. Fine. What is the chemical symbol of arsenic? As. Schedule 11 was related to Panchayati Raj. How many amendments have occurred till 20 June 2020 in the preamble of Indian Constitution? 1. Crocodile has dash chambered head, fourth chamber. JP Narayan is also known as Lok Nayak. How many times has Pakistan reached ICC World Cup final? 4 times. It was 1979, 1983, 1987 and 2011. What is the location of Rajamouli Film City? Rajamouli Film City is located in Hyderabad. Suryakant Tripathi, what is the last name or pet name of Suryakant Tripathi? He is also known as Nirala. He is a poet, essay writer, novelist. Fine. Which dam is between India and Bangladesh? Farakka Barrage. What is the mother's name of Gautam Buddha? Mahamaya. Fine. Which states were created in 2020? There were 3 states which were created. Those were Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal and Jharkhand. In which month of 1915 Gandhiji returned to India? January 9. Article 20 is related to sorry friends, I have not taken this one. I'll post it or I'll tell you in next video. Fine. Who was the president of India when Rajiv Gandhi took oath as Prime Minister of India? Zail Singh. Free and compulsory education to 6 to 14 years children is related to which article? Article 21A. Namami Gange project was started in which year? June 2014. Who is the author of the book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India? Shashi Tharoor. What was the allocation of education budget in 2020? Budget 2020 had 99,311.52 crores as budget allocation for education sector. Fine. Who was the first Indian to get Pulitzer Prize? It was Gobind Behari Lal. Article 280 is related to Finance Commission. Fine. Thank you friends. These were the 100 questions for today's video. I'll definitely bring next videos if you give me proper response for this video or whether it was helpful for you or not. ठीक है, आप लोग मुझे बताएंगे अगर आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहा है तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो भी बहुत जल्द आएगी फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू.